Sponsored by AbbVie.
The following is a test of the EAS. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test. Hi, this is Joe Flynn. Ways to purchase.
I was joined by these two devious people.
Antonio Thomas, Pittsburgh EAS.
1 sec, as soon as I get this thing going.
Okay, take your time.
And on my end, you are? Huh?
No one hear that?
No.
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 413.
Oh, God.
Anyway. SG2413.
I already stopped filming.
Well, I'm still filming, so I'm also joined with.
RCT32165.
Yes.
You know who I am, because I just said my name.
Well, yes. You already said your name.
I already said my name.
Yes. You said it. Yeah. Yeah. To be honest, I don't even know anymore. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, SG2413.
Yes, and we out.